Is your Freightliner Coronado 132 steering wheel looking a little tired after all those miles? Well, this 18-inch black leather traveler steering wheel kit from Technical Precision might just be the upgrade you've been searching for. It's designed specifically for the 2008 Coronado 132, and that vehicle-specific fit is a huge plus, meaning no guesswork about compatibility. The kit comes with a black powder-coated aluminum 5-hole hub adapter, which sounds pretty robust and should integrate nicely with the truck's existing setup. Now let's talk about the feel. An 18-inch wheel is a substantial piece, and the black leather promises a much more comfortable and grippy experience than a worn-out original. Imagine those long hauls with a steering wheel that feels good in your hands, reducing fatigue and giving you a better connection to the road. The black powder-coated aluminum hub adds a touch of rugged style, too, complementing the black leather for a clean, professional look. It's not just about aesthetics. A solid hub adapter is crucial for safety and responsiveness. Technical Precision seems to have focused on both form and function here. This isn't just a cosmetic change. It's about enhancing the driving experience for a truck that works as hard as you do. The 5-hole design is pretty standard for these types of applications, ensuring it will likely bolt up without major modifications. Overall, this kit appears to be a solid, well-built solution for any 2008 Freightliner Coronado 132 owner looking to refresh their interior and improve their driving comfort. It's a thoughtful upgrade that could make a real difference on those long journeys.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.